Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Arteon shooting brake R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in manganese grey metallic paint, featuring the 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 200 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox and that brilliant 4MOTION all-wheel drive as well. You'll have peace of mind motoring with this vehicle with a full Volkswagen service history. And just starting off at the front of the vehicle, as well as adaptive cruise control, you've also got LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You've also got these lovely 19-inch Montevideo alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors, privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, and the gorgeous panoramic sunroof letting plenty of fresh air and light to the cabin. As you move towards the rear, as you can see, there's a huge amount of boot space on offer with split folding seats and also a load-through hatch for any longer items, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases. You'll have ease of access with keyless entry and also an electric tailgate, which you can open with the key fob. Moving inside, you get the gorgeous half leather, half Alcantara seats, with the centre armrest and a couple of cup holders and a huge amount of leg space on offer. Moving to the front, there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and also an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable, with part electric adjustment for the seat including lumbar support. Just behind the wheel is a full digital display on offer, housing all your vital driving information, including assistance systems on board such as lane assist. This car also benefits from the optionally fitted Discover Pro navigation system, including dynamic road sign display and much more. As you can see, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available as well, so you can mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps and many more. You've also got some of the latest safety systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including emergency braking and much more. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings, and multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for more dynamic drive. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's a little bit of storage below, including wireless phone charging and your keyless start there as well. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.